Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how can you send large files to another computer using internet. If you want to send a large file with the help of internet to another computer, then you can use these services and you can easily send large file with the help of internet. File size have gotten bigger and bigger these days. Email services still limit attachment to just a few megabytes. If you need to send large file, then you need to use some services, some cloud services. I am going to show you. I am going to talk about some cloud services which you can use to. If I am going to first service is Office 365. You can use this service if you have Office 365 or you can say OneDrive cloud storage, which is offered by Microsoft. And if you use Outlook or Outlook email address or Hotmail, then you can just use this. It will give you 15 GB space, and if you want to upgrade this, then you have to just upgrade with. You can have to pay something to upgrade this service, upgrade the storage. Cloud storage service are remote servers that will store your files online for you so that they can be accessed anywhere. You can share links to these files to anyone you want, and they can then download the file from your cloud storage account. Most cloud storage service allow you to 5 GB of files for free with some service. There are rarely a particular limit to the size of file you can transfer using cloud storage. So you have to pick up the cloud storage. If I am going to type here OneDrive, then you have to log in with your Hotmail or Outlook account with the help of, because it's a Microsoft service, so you have to follow their email, you have to use their email services. After that you can you can see 1 terabyte total 1000 GB. These are the premium plans. So you can see here, this is my Hotmail address, so I can use 5 GB I can use 5 GB store, 5 GB space, and if I want to upgrade this space, then I have to pay some amount to upgrade this storage. You can share here some document, you can upload here some document. After that you can share this document to anyone on the internet. You can share this link or anything in the internet. You can share, you can email it, or you can share it with other drive. You can share it with other person with the help of this OneDrive. This is a cloud storage. It means this is not stored in your own computer, this is stored on cloud. You can access this from anywhere in the world. So this is the first option. You can use OneDrive, which is offered by Microsoft. You can use 5 GB storage. So this is a cloud storage you can use to send large file. Another service is, if you use Google Drive. If you want to use, then you can just use Google Drive with the help of your Gmail address. This is a Google service, this is a Google Drive. You can also, this service is provide 15 GB of storage. You can also use apps of these drives, and you can monitor, manipulate your data from your mobile phone. You can see here 15 GB storage is available free with the help of Google Drive. So first option is OneDrive, which is offered by Microsoft. Second option is MyDrive, which is offered by Google, or you can say Google Drive. So you can log in with the help of Gmail document, and here you can log in with the help of Outlook or Hotmail. If you have a Hotmail or Outlook Gmail account, then you can log in Microsoft OneDrive, which is free, and Google Drive is also free. You already know, but Google Drive provided big amount of space. You can also use a service called Dropbox. This is a Dropbox. Dropbox is a file hosting service operated by American company. This is also a cloud storage where you have to buy storage, and you can store anything you want. You can get trial free for 30 days, share, synchronize and collaborate securely. This is also provides security. So you have to use this for 1 month free. Then if you want to upgrade, then you can see $20, or you can use standard plan on $12, 2 terabyte of space, $12 per month, starting with 5 user. Then you can use 2 terabyte of space, 20 days of file recovery, smart synchronization. Various different plan are available according to your need. If you need enterprise plan, then you can contact her. They will explain you how enterprise plan is work, but you can use it if you want to use for personal use. You can just use try free for 30 days. These are big services like Google and Microsoft provide you 15 GB to 5 GB space free, but this is the service you can only use for 30 days, 1 month, and after this you have to pay a standard plan. So you can also ask something about the Dropbox. What is the business plan? How can you manage yearly or monthly plan? How can you manage the 5 user? All the information you can just use and chat from here. There is also a service is available. If I am going to show you Box, this is called Box. This is also SQL file sharing, storage, and this is also used for another independent cloud storage service. This is an independent cloud storage service. Free account come with 10 GB of storage. You have to just sign up here and you will get 10 GB of storage, but are limited to files to 50 MB or smaller. You can create an account at box.com personal. You can also create an account here. You just have to, this is a independent cloud storage service. You can see here the securities and the other feature. You can create your custom solution. You can also see 14-day free trial ready to get started. You can get 14-day free trial here. You can also see their pricing, their plans. In Indian rupee, 410 per user per month. 1160 business plan is available per user per month. Enterprise plan, you just have to contact her. 100 GB of secure storage, 2 GB file upload, 5 GB file upload, 5 GB file upload. So these are the different plans. Also like Dropbox, you can use it here according. Both are same, just different security level and different plans are available. 2-week free trials are available. You can use it. And another option is Mediafire. This is another cloud storage service. You can see here Mediafire is a file hosting, file synchronization cloud storage service based on Shandos, Texas, based in. This is also an American brand which you can use. This is a file sharing service that has evolved into a cloud storage provider. Unlike the other cloud storage service, it is geared more towards sharing files as opposed to storing them. This is it's focused on main only sharing files instead of storing them. It is also in store files, but sharing is the main feature. After that, you can see free account come with 10 GB of storage with ads on any download links you share. Free accounts no longer have a file size restriction. It is used to be 200 MB. You can get started at mediafire.com. You can see here start uploading files for free. You have to sign up here, log in here, handles all your files. You can share, collaborate, store, access. 50 million people are also use this service, Mediafire. 10 GB free up to 4 GB per file, unlimited bandwidth download, easily share, multiple. So these are the service, these are the features. 1 TB storage, one time links, 100-day. These are the storage which is used by Mediafire. So there, so you can see here there are I'm just explain you about the Google Drive. This is Google that is Google free cloud storage service which is accessed by only your Gmail account. OneDrive, which is a Microsoft service, it gives you 5 GB of storage and it is also used by Hotmail or Outlook. The Dropbox is an independent cloud storage service which give you 30-day trial pack. After that you have to pay. This is independent cloud storage. The another service is Box, independent cloud storage. It can also give you free 14-day trial pack, and you have to create an account for this. You can create personal, corporate, enterprise account. You can also use this Mediafire. Mediafire is also file sharing service. It's more focused on sharing rather than storing file. So you can also these are the most trusted cloud storage over the internet. So you can use this storage and share this file, share any file, any number of file, large number of file. If you use mail, it will allow you only 25 MB of attachment of video or audio or document. All it's get restricted to send large file. So if you use these cloud storage, you can easily access large file and you can easily share large file over the internet, and you can also access this file anywhere in the world. You just have to make it public on the internet. You can also here you have to file sharing service. There are different services are available. You can also use BitTorrent. BitTorrent is a method for transferring large file across the internet. It differs from cloud storage because the other person will be downloading the file directly from your computer. It is not uploaded to any server first. BitTorrent can also provide much faster transfer speed for the recipient than cloud storage. You can use BitTorrent. Install a torrent client on your computer. After that you can create a torrent file and you can share open the torrent creation tool, and in your torrent client you can usually press to open the torrent creation wizard. You can also use email services. You can also distribute the torrent file with the help of internet, and anybody can download this file with the help of torrent file. Like torrent, if you want to download a movie from torrent, then you can just use the torrent file and you can start downloading with the torrent software. This is the same service. You can also do some other like you can use FTP server. If you and your recipient have access to the FTP file transfer protocol server, you can upload the file and they can download it through FTP client. 7zip is a software is a third party tool which you can use for FTP server. So these are different server, these are different cloud storage, or these are different services tool are available, which with the help of these tools which you can easily download, easily share large file over the internet, all over the internet, and you can access these large file anywhere in the world. You just have to make an account, create an account, and you can tons of storage, tons of space is available. You just have to create an account and use it according to your need. So this is how you can use cloud storage to share large file with the help of internet. So if you like this video, please subscribe me, comment below, and thank you friends. Please subscribe me. Thank you. All the best.